Hello guys, good noon. May tanong ako sa inyo. Lagi ba kayong nag-aaway ng partner mo? Ang video na to para sa inyo. Remember, lying and truth has 5 letters. Love and hate has 4 letters. Cry and joy has 3 letters. Enemies and friends has 7 letters. Negativity and positivity has 10 letters. Nakikita mo yung pattern? If you do lie, magagalit siya, iiyak, mag-aaway kayo, negative na yung relationship mo. Ang ending, break up. Remember, break up and forever has 7 letters. Life is two-sided. Choose the better side of it. And that's for today. See you tomorrow.